In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Kids Mode in Grok app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to expect, even if the option hasn't rolled out to your account yet. First, open the Grok app and make sure you're in the account you want to manage. Think of this as your starting point, because Kids Mode is tied to your personal profile settings. Once the app is open, head straight to your account area. That's usually represented by your profile picture or an account icon, typically found in the top corner of the screen. Next, tap your profile. This brings up your profile page, where the app groups personal settings and preferences. This is the place where you can typically find safety and privacy controls, and it's also where Kids Mode will appear when it's available to you. On the profile page, look for the option labeled Kids Mode. If it's visible on your screen, you're almost there. All you need to do is toggle it on. When you switch it on, the app adjusts its experience to be more child-friendly, which can include safer responses and more limited features appropriate for younger users. The change usually takes effect right away, and you can continue using the app with the added peace of mind that those protections are now active. Now, here's an important note. In some accounts, this feature might not be available yet. If you don't see Kids Mode on your profile page today, that simply means it hasn't been enabled for your account or region at this time. Rollouts can happen gradually, and interfaces can vary slightly from one version of the app to another. If that's your situation, don't worry, you're not missing anything on your end. Keep an eye on future app updates and announcements from the developer. As soon as Kids Mode appears on your profile page, the process to turn it on will be exactly as we just walked through. Open your account, tap your profile, and flip the Kids Mode toggle to on. To recap the flow in one smooth pass, open your account in the Grok app, tap your profile, locate the Kids Mode option on that page, and toggle it on. If it's not there yet, just check back periodically after updates. Once it shows up, enabling it is a one-step switch. That's it. You now know where Kids Mode lives, how to turn it on, and what it means if you don't see it yet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up a safer experience in the Grok app.